All right, so I talked to you a little bit about the Hindu shuffle before. Now I'm going to show you a little more detail on how to get a card to the top of the deck by Hindu shuffling a stripper deck. So let's say we have our card selected. It's the Ace of Clubs. We'll do a reversal, have it placed back in. Now if I'm holding the deck like this, the card sticking out is right here. I can feel it with my thumb. And when I'm Hindu shuffling, it's just natural that that card is going to strip out. Like right there, the card stripped out and I could feel it. And now that's the top card. So I can just put that section right on top. I'll show you one more time. I just Hindu shuffle until I feel the card get stripped out. And then I can put it right on top and there's the selected card. So it'll almost happen by itself if you keep Hindu shuffling. I mean, I can keep shuffling right now, and I could eventually strip that card out. You could also, as you're shuffling, if you don't just want to cut it to the top, you could also do it as a little trick by itself. You know, as you're shuffling, you just keep shuffling cards until at one point you can just separate that card from the rest of the deck. And there's the selected card. So that's some ideas on using the Hindu shuffle to bring the card to the top and to strip it out of the deck.